Hey guys, I'll be teaching you how to make a scenario. So first, what you want to do is go to KineMaster, and then you want to go to Media, Photo, Image Assets, and choose the one on the corner. You can choose any color you want on the bottom, just no textures in it. Now what you want to do is go to layer, text, and then search up emergency alert system. And then to make it faster, just click return 2 times. And then say civil authorities or national weather service. I'm going with civil authorities. And then you have to have issued a whatever warning. Like me, I'm just gonna go with civil danger warning. Make sure it's capitalized. Civil. And then click on yes. You might want to go select it, go to fonts, VCR EAS, and then if you don't have it, let me show you how to get it. So first, what you want to do is go to Safari, and then type in Google Fonts. And then we're just gonna go to VC or EAS. What you actually want to do is go to fontspace.com and then go to search for anything, and then type in VC or EAS. And then click on the blue, purple, and pink thingy. Then download it. I already have it. So what you want to do is exit Safari and then go to your files. And then you just want to go to iCloud Drive. What you actually want to do is actually go to downloads and then scroll down. I already have it, so gonna long press it and click on share. Then we're gonna select more. There might be some upload theirs, and then you just click the KineMaster if you can. So you just zoom it into your whole screen, and then make sure the text is right over here. And then you could just delete the text and go to layer and then media, and then photos, and then all, and then you can click one of these photos. I'll show you how I got them. So what you want to do is go to YouTube, and then go to and then go to found footage and normally broadcast, and then choose the first one. It should be made by Cheech
Work is
Burrito.
hard when your boss is fine.
The Mafia Nanny.
Alright guys, we're just gonna fast forward.
At this time it is advised that you lock all your doors and windows. Do
So
not
you take a screenshot, and how you take a screenshot is like when you press the power button and volume button at the same time, like this. And then you just zoom into the character type of thingy, and I'll show you how I got the
and
entity.
windows. Do not open the door for anyone even if it looks like a normal human being. Even if you hear your door open or window shatter, do not react. Find a safe hiding place in your home.
And then how I got the hiding place is just I just took a screenshot of that and then like kind of zoomed it
Do not
in.
make any noise. If a family member is outside, do not intend to pick them up. Make sure to turn off all television sets and radios once this broadcast is complete. I repeat, do not have your television on once this broadcast is finished. If you see anyone who looks like a human on your television set with impossible features, look away as quickly as possible. It is very important to hide all children from television sets with disturbing imagery. If you hear anyone in your yard or inside your house,
of whatever you need. And then how I got the entity is like I took a screenshot of this.
sounds like a human, assume it isn't. If you have access to any loaded weaponry, make sure to have it on you at all times. If you see anyone who has biologically impossible features, make sure to run and hide. If you see a clone of yourself or somebody else you know, run and hide. Don't try to save your pets from any harm that may happen if an intrusion occurs, because it could cost you your life. Make sure to hide your children and be prepared for the worst.
And you can also get the closet. And then how I got the running person is like I go to Safari and then EAS person running. And then go to images. Alright, so we just go white person and black background. So you just take a screenshot of that, and then you go to KineMaster again, actually, and then you download this app called Narrator's Voice. So you go in it. Actually takes a while. And I mind you using Tom or Tom 2. So when you go all the way to the top, you see that there's actually an alphabetical order. So we just scroll down until we find the T section. You can use whatever you want. I just recommend you using Tom or Tom 2. Now, type anything you want. And then after you made your text, you just want to go to this box with the arrow and then click on the share to audio. And then we just, oh man, not the stupid ad. Not the stupid. Oh man, not again. fine, I'll do this puzzle. Finally, I can skip. And then we just click on Kind Master. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I'm back. There was an ant infestation in our kitchen. So, what you need? And then where the narrator's voice audio is, it's where you go here, and then like it shows up on here. So what I'm going to do is
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. This entity has escaped from a
so like I do that. And if you want to do the like bar thingy, just click on it and then click on edit, go to emergency alert system, and click return one more time. What you're going to do next is add another text and then type whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and type Comcast so it's faster. So what you want to do is add this in front and this in front. Oh man, it was wrong. So if you want to just do that, you have to take, like a screenshot of it. A screenshot of the emergency alert system like this. So if you want to do that, just gonna delete this, click on media, click on photo, do this now, and then click on minus. And then what you want to do is, take a screenshot. I mean, before you do that, you just delete what you just did. And then take a screenshot. Gonna go do this. That's good. Just click on done, save to photos, and then we're just gonna now go to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, you can install it on the App Store or Google Play. Then you click on Start a New Project, and then Photos, and then get the screenshot you just did. Alright, so we just go to text now, and then we type in the thing you want to type, and then you just go to add font, and then the same thing, but you go to but you save it to CapCut. So just gonna do this, guys, and then it should work like this. And then you just add this thing in the front and this thing all the way on and on the back. So it should work like this. Oh man. But make it longer so you can actually see the Comcast, the Comcast, doing whatever. So it should work like this. And then you don't necessarily have to, like do that. So we're just gonna delete this project. Just click on the three dots and then delete. Then you don't necessarily have to add the ribbon where it like goes sideways and all the other stuff. So what we're gonna do is go to KineMaster and then record record like emergent alert system FX. I recommend you using this one. And then like when you do the first and then you just cut the audio and then go all the way to the back where it's like and then record it. Alright guys, we go to KineMaster and then like layer media video. Wait, what's this video? Let's see it. And then after you made your text, you just that's just my audio I made. So layer media video, click on all. I'd recommend you doing this this thing so you don't have to scroll all the way to the bottom. And then we're just gonna click on this. And then we're just gonna click on the thing. So it should work like that. It at least has to be full so the text and guys. So we're just gonna extend the black thing a lot more. And then we just go to audio and then internal.
Civil authorities
and
have
then click on the plus.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. This entity has escaped civil danger warning.
And then we just go to media again, photo, layer media, and then photo, and then click on this. And then you just click on the thing you want for like a civil danger warning something. Alright, this is good.
Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. This entity has escaped from a simulation for the following counties: Cobb County, DeKalb County, Fulton County, and all off Georgia State. We recommend you to stay inside your home and do not make any noise.
Yes. And then what you wanna do is if you want a house, just get a EAS house. EAS house images. Emergency alert. Emergency alert system house. If that doesn't work, I just don't know what to do. So we're just gonna do ES. So you go to KineMaster again.
And all off Georgia State. We recommend you to stay inside your home. Stay inside your home and do not.
And then we just go to text and then, like, whatever you can do. So, like, stay. And then, if you want to copy, you can. So, overall animation, blink slow.
We recommend you to stay inside your home and do not make any noise. The military is trying to capture the entity. Good luck and stay safe.
Alright, we're going to layer in the media again, and then video, and then get the other EAS you just recorded. Guys. So what you do next is like do whatever you want, like extend it, and then let me show you a tutorial again. So you just so from like narrator's voice to KineMaster. So what you want to do is click on the box and arrow thingy, and then share audio to KineMaster. I already did that, so bye guys. See you in next video.